guys, okay, welcome to our Flask tutorial. We shall see how to make our first application in Flask. So let us see what is Flask. So Flask is a micro web framework written in Python, and is classified as a micro web framework because it does not require particular tools or libraries. So who uses Flask? Applications that use Flask framework include there's Pinterest, there's LinkedIn, and also even the Flask web page itself uses Flask. Then the components of Flask, there are two micro frameworks of Flask based on Poco projects, the Wazuk and Ginger 2. The pronunciation depends where you come from. So Wazuk is a utility library for Python. It's a toolkit for your gateway server, the WSGI, and then Ginger template. It's a template engine. All of them are licensed under BSD, Berkeley Software Distributions, and yeah. So that is it. So let us go straight to start making our first Flask app application. So you open your terminal, and after opening your terminal, we shall make a directory where you want your Flask to be, application to be. So mkdir, I'm running on Linux. So on Linux we do mkdir, and then the name. Oh, you better first go to the desktop. Then the desktop shall make a directory. Let us call the directory Flask 1. Then we shall navigate to that directory, cd Flask 1, and while there, so there is where we shall have our first Flask application. So you shall first make sure that you have installed Python, and since we are not looking at with Python or not, so we shall just see if I have the Python. So for me, I'll be running Python 3. So I'll check the version, and so this is Python 3.6.8, and we shall also, with Python, we are going to use PIP, which is the Python package installer. So let's say you can just check the version. So that's my pip version, and the location. Though I'm using Python 3.6, as you can see, the location is located here. No offense. So let's clear the screen. So we shall start by setting up our environment. Sorry. Shall set up our environment, and we shall need to have our environment in a virtual environment, so that it helps to keep our code clean. Source code will be, it will not affect other projects. Those dependencies that we shall install will not affect other projects. So we shall in Linux, we just say source. We use virtual env. If you want to create a virtual environment, then this is the name of the virtual environment. Let us call it venv. As you can see, it's creating the virtual environment, and it's just set up tools. It's done. And so after that, we shall just navigate to the virtual environment by doing cd. Further, we shall activate it by doing source, then the name of the virtual environment. Then shall I go to the bin, activate. As you can see, it is active. So just clear the screen again. And so since I'm in the environment already, my first thing will be to install Flask, and to install Flask using the PIP Python installer Python package installer. Let's just say pip and then I tell it to install Flask. It is collecting. So as you can see here, it is telling us that Flask was installed successfully. We have this Ginger template. We also have markup save, and this Wazook. So as usual, WSGI. So after having your Flask setup, we shall have to start our project then, because that is what we need as for now. And you can also tell Flask, you can also set Flask underscore app is equals to, and then the name of the app that shall be running. So this one will tell Flask that, you know what, when I run this file, it's for Flask. As you can see, there's no error, so this command has been understood. It did not throw any error. So after doing that, we shall just now instantiate and make up a folder. As you can see, we only have that one in the virtual environment, so let us also make a folder for our project, and shall mkdir project. That's where we want our project to be, so we shall navigate to that folder, project. So inside the project, here's where we are going to have our files. So when you have to go into the file, you can just say touch, and the name of the file. Of course, we'll have to create the app.py, and it is the one that you saw when you're telling Flask that it should look for it. So it is the one that will have the routes. Or rather, you can create all of them at once, because you'll need that one. She'll also need maybe, for now let us start with that. So I'll just open, I'm using VS Code. You can use any other editor. I'm using VS Code as my editor, so I'll just say code to open it. So since I want to open the whole of this project, I'll just navigate backwards, one step behind, and here I will just I'll say code, and then I'll open projects. It should be opening. There we go. As you can see, this is the welcome page. So in this welcome application there, and for it to run, so we shall start our first line by import the module, which is Flask, from Flask, because this is the library, and this is where you're getting that library from. Import Flask from Flask, and for now that's all we shall need. And then we shall have to instantiate, and to say let our app be called, and we go to Flask. Then you tell it that it is this app by saying Flask name that you want this app to run, this very app to run, the name of this app to run. So after doing that, there we shall now, I can create our first route. This is the annotation, so it is add Flask, then you can put your route, and since this one will be the first page, we just put a slash to mean it is the index, or it's the beginning, and then there you can something. So it will return, let's say it should return HTML tag because it will be rendering it in the browser. H1, and remember to put them in double quotes. H1. I shall just say hello world. Hello world. Then just close the H1 tag. And that one is done. Sorry, I've just rectified this one here. So we start with from where you want to get it from. Then import what you want, and you can see we're using it here. And see that it's a class. Yeah. So that's what you do. And then because you want the server to run, what you shall do will be we shall now have to say app. Shall just say if name. At times it comes automatically, and I just say main. There you go. If main, then I just shall say app dot run, and as you can see, my VS Code is giving me the options. Run should come for the host and the port number, or debug if it's true. So we shall just say debug so it can show us the errors. So say debug is equals to true, and optionally you can just put a port. By default it is 5000, so I'm just going to change that to show that to run the port that we have defined it here. Small service, let us say 5500. Want a Flask application to run there, so we'll just save this, and as you can see it has formatted very well. And so I'll just open my terminal. I'm in projects, so we shall put some projects. You can see you have our application here, app.py. So to run it, you should just tell it Flask, because remember I had defined it. Actually you can use either of the terminals. As for here we're using this one to set it up, but since VS Code comes with the ability to have the terminal with you, it's easier to use, so we just say Flask, then the name of the application, and as you can see, sorry, it's supposed to be small caps. That's an error. So just leave some space there. So we just realized supposed to Flask, then say run. Don't mention the name of the application, but since we already informed Flask that this is the application will be running. So when I call you, I already said that the Flask app is this application name. So here just issue Flask run. Wow, and there we're having is running on this IP address. They will specify the port number there, but it's okay. So we shall just click there and wait. As you can see, it's running. It's supposed to be popping up by now. And as you can see, hello world. So it's running a default port because we already set it up and told it when you tell it to run, when you call it, it'll just run. So that's why it's running at the default port. Okay, so this is my kitty. Keeps me busy, keeps me company. Anyway, let me just hide it for the sake of this tutorial. So it's running at port 5000, but you shall see. So apart from that, so as you can see, that is hello world. So assuming you want to put their names, and if you want to put their names, you shall have to tell the applications that here we want a name, a variable. You put any variable, you can just say name, or you can just say, yeah, name is more reasonable. Then how to pass it here as a parameter in this method. This is a method, pass it there as a parameter. Then you just see where, so I want it to grid, so we shall just put the format there, and shall tell it format, and the format shall put the name here, and they should work automatically. You don't have to refresh because already it is running here. So let's just go to browser. Shall hit the browser, and when you refresh, when I refresh, you can see it's still that one because it's running at port 5000. So even if I put the name and I say Cedric, it's saying not found. But I'm going to see how to fix that. So we're going back here. Shall I just stop the server? It's already running. So we're pressing Ctrl C. And then what we're going to do is I shall run the application by ourselves. Since it's located here, I shall just take ls. As you can see, it's there. So we shall just say Python 3, then you put the name of the application, app.py. As you can see, it's running, and since we already we have to run it manually by saying Python 3, run this application. Because you can see it started running the localhost at the port that is specified here, but the other one we had already instantiated it and told Python, told the Flask to give it the name of the application. So you just say Flask run, it runs it at the default port number. So as you can see, we have fixed that, and the name should work. So this is port 5500. Let us just go back the browser. So when I put my name, it's a Paul is my instructor. Let's say, oh, sorry. So here the port number, so it's supposed to, actually just supposed to right click at 5500. So let's see how that flows. Here we go. Small error. Should go back to a project. Format, name. 1 second. I'm trying to figure out what's happening, and I've just realized I'm supposed to save. Oh, it's save the project. Sorry. So as you can see, it has restarted. So I did a change and see. Yeah. So right now it's running. Let's head back to the browser and say port 5500 and you put the name. Whoa, and say it's hello Paul. You can see. You should also have the skills to troubleshoot in case something happens. So you should just say my name and see what will run out. Hello Cedric. And with respect to Wikipedia, where I got the details from, where I got the help from. Well, hello Wikipedia. that's basically how we run our first application in of Flask. As you can see, when you issue hello, the name, it processes it. It sends a GET request. It's a GET request. It's a HTTP. So that's how it's going to run. So that's basically it for first look at Flask. Basically, this is for amateurs like me. So this is what you do. Just learned Flask less than 3 weeks ago, and I'm glad I'm able to do this. So there's more you can do with it.